We've left our mooring at the top of Cape Locks and make our way to the Stairway to Heaven. Today, Hatton Locks are a flight of 21 wide locks and form part of the Grand Union Canal. The flight spans just less than 2 miles, that's 3.2 kilometres, and has a total rise of 148 feet, 45 metres. When the canal first opened in 1799, it was known as the Warwick and Birmingham Canal, built to carry locally mined coal to the power stations and factories of the Black Country. Originally a narrow canal, it wasn't until 1932 that the narrow locks were modernised and widened using concrete, a revolutionary new material in canal building. Now heading northwest, we pass through Shrewley Tunnel and a deep cutting before mooring between bridges 61 and 62.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning, everyone.
And welcome to our vlog. You join us on a cloudless day. And where are we going, honey?
We are heading towards the Hatton flight.
21 locks.
21 locks, which is the most we've done for a long time.
Yeah.
Since last November.
Yeah. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, which is early for us.
Yeah.
And we're all raring to go, really, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Well, some of us are. I don't know about you.
Well, we'll see. We'll see how we get on.
See how we get on.
But join us. You will need your windlass, and we'd appreciate a hand. So if you see us lagging, just cheer us on. Yeah. Because we're going to need it, I think, today, aren't we?
Yeah. We haven't done 21 locks for a long time. Did I say that already in this bit?
No, I didn't. Don't think you did. So yeah. So we
and they're wide locks as well, so which obviously makes things a little bit more difficult. So we're hoping for, thank you, honey. So we're hoping for a partner, a locking partner, aren't we?
Yeah, doubt if we'll get one, but there you go. We'll see.
We've been moored up at Cape Visitor moorings for the last couple of days.
Yep.
And we've had a trip into Warwick.
Yep. That was lovely. Show you some footage of that.
Yeah, so we walked up. It was about how far? Probably be about a
20
mile.
20 miles.
Might seem 20 miles to you, but about a mile from the moorings.
Possibly,
up into Warwickshire,
possibly.
up into Warwick.
Yeah.
Quite a nice town. Lots of nice architecture.
Yeah. Lovely place.
Yeah, and. I mean, to be honest with you, we only walked up to go to the post office, didn't we?
Yeah.
Post office and a fabric shop.
Yeah.
So
get your stuff.
Get some stuff for me. Yeah. Keep me busy.
Unusually.
Yeah. Makes a change. Yeah. So.
Anyway.
So onwards and upwards.
Come with us. Cheer us on. We're going to need it.
Yeah.
And if we're lucky, we'll see you at the top.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Where are we, honey?
Warwick?
Warwick?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
There's quite a nice church there.
Nice
We're
church.
just heading towards the castle.
Is that right? We're going this way, are we?
Yeah.
So why was you walking the other way?
I wasn't. You told me to. I'll stop filming now then.
This is the first lock of the day, and first of 21, I think. We'll see how we go. Slow but steady, I think, is the answer.
So we've just arrived at our first lock of the day, the first of 21 on the Hatton flight, and somebody was waiting for a lock buddy. So here we are. We are with Jackie and Neil on Eleanor Jane. So that's brilliant. We've got lock buddies for the rest of the 21 locks. Lock number 1 done. On our way to number 2. Jackie's gone ahead to prepare it, and I finished off at that other last lock. So that's number 2 done. Jackie's gone ahead and I'm finishing this one. And the guys are getting into a bit of a rhythm there. So that's number 3 done. So we're just approaching lock number 4. It's all open, ready and waiting. The guys have now tied the boats together and Neil's helping with the locking. So we should whiz through these. The Hatton flight is known locally as the Stairway to Heaven because of the hard work involved in the ascent, followed by the easy run to Camp Hill where the workmen were paid. So we must be near the halfway point now. One boat's just gone past us, 2 boats waiting to go down and we're waiting to go up. So busy section this bit. And there are several more boats coming down.
Only about another 11, I think, something like that. A couple of boats in up above, I think. Quite a sight, actually. I think we passed the middle, which is quite good. Really nice. Lots of gongoozles, that we like to see. Nearly there. Not far to go.
Well, that's 21 locks done in 3 hours, so that wasn't bad at all. So we've enjoyed having company and it's been not quite as hard work, thankfully. So we got to the top of Hatton Flight and we've topped up with water. There's a water point there and got rid of all our rubbish. And it's really busy there, so We're just moving on until we find a nice little mooring spot. Up to Shrewley Tunnel. This was completed in 1799 as part of the then Warwick and Birmingham Canal. But since 1929 it's been part of the Grand Union. So it's 396 metres, that's 433 yards long, and it was built without a towpath, so boats would have been legged through this tunnel.
Cooking my roast dinner. It is Sunday. Waterfall. Clear, just like it's clear.
Did you get wet, love?
I did a little bit, yeah. Oh dear, that was a bit of a tricky one.
Yeah. There is, that tunnel actually has a horse tunnel as well. So
Alongside it?
Yeah, alongside it, that's the horse tunnel.
Oh right, yeah. So they'd probably leg it through the tunnel and then they bring the horse through the horse tunnel.
Yeah, that's right. Quite a deep cutting here. And all of this would have been done by hand. So while they were digging out the deep cuttings in the tunnel, they found rock formations dating back to the Triassic period. So that's interesting. Here's a couple of doer-uppers. So we've moored up here just after Bridge 61, or between Bridge 61 and 62. It said on the map, good mooring with pins, and it's not too bad actually. There's some nice views across the opposite side of the towpath, but we haven't got, but it's quite popular here. There's several boats stopped, and we haven't got a great view, but it's not too bad, not too shabby at all. Pat's just doing a bit of gardening. Just tidying up a bit so that the grass doesn't keep hitting the boat. Just taking out some of the really long grass. And actually we've had quite a nice day. Although we've done the 21 locks Hatton. It's been a good day. And of course we've done Shrewley Tunnel as well. So we've had an enjoyable day. It's nearly 2:30. We set off at 9 o'clock this morning, so that's the longest day we've done for some time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you'd like to. And don't forget to subscribe. Once you've subscribed, you can hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you of any future videos we release. So thanks for watching. Have you got anything to say, love?
That's about all I've got to say.